Good morning. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments for Friday, the 6th day of February, guys. All right. So last night, a pretty good range in soybeans. We traded down to 1102. Looks like they may push it lower. The Asians and the Europeans bought the beans overnight. The robots bought the beans. If you're following my letter, you know that I've got 1121, 22 area as resistance up there. All that is a technical retracement. I don't know what happens when we get there. I don't know if we get there, but it's a level to watch. Okay, so it's not a prediction; it's a caution. Um, we're definitely, recovering a big chunk of what we lost on that slide from November to the contract low, nearly 62% of it. So I don't know if this is going to have legs or not. We'll see. There's no confirmation that the Chinese are going to take our supplies down the pipeline. If they do, that'll be that'll justify this move. If they don't, I think this move is short-lived. Good news: new crop soybeans, new crop right there, close to $11. So remember when we were down at 10.55 and you were upset? This is a good recovery. Anything around here, I think north of $11 is something worth taking a look at for either making some sales or setting some hedges for new crop. That's just my opinion. In the wheat, higher overnight, 3 cents. Corn, it's funny. Beans can move 20 cents. Corn's down a penny. What does that tell you? It tells you, for the most part, corn doesn't care what beans are doing. Decent new crop corn is sitting at 461 and a quarter. I think it's giving everybody a chance there to get something done. The high of the year so far was 66. That was the day of the report. So are we going to go for that high of the year at 66, 66 and a quarter? I sure hope so. Again, so it's a nice rally. We were just down at 45. So 66 will be a 20-cent rally in corn. It's the start of something hopefully better. There's no story out there. We still have a huge carry out. This is just soybeans hopefully helping to drag up corn. So it's some good news this morning. We'll see if it continues. The dollar a little bit lower. Stock market higher after taking a little bit of pressure last night. That's about it, guys. We'll see today if cattle can hold in, or is cattle going to continue to roll over. It was a pretty big shot across the bar yesterday for cattle. I would say if we take out yesterday's low in cattle, there's probably going to be some more lightening up, just because two things. We've had a huge rally, number one. Number two, the funds are all long. And number three, it's a long weekend. So you might see some people, selling some of their previous longs, taking some profits. And I would say that across the board for the protein complex. That's the risk there. In the silver, if you're not getting my letter, you should take a look at it. I'm as surprised as anybody else. This thing went right to its, if you take the low of silver, which is basically $30, and the high, which is a little over 121, that's 64, 65 area, very big technical level. It's just crazy how these simple technicals can come into play. And here we are in silver right now, with another $10 trading range. So if you're trading silver, you're risking $10 every time you buy or to sell it. So be very, very careful. All right, guys, have a good rest of the day. I will be out of pocket until lunchtime. 312-638-8868. Call me afternoon. Have a good rest of the day. And if I don't talk to you, have a good Friday.